Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to hide likes on Twitter. So let's get started. Begin by launching your X application. Then tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Select Settings and Support. Scroll down a little and then tap on Settings and Privacy option. Now tap on Privacy and Safety. Tap on the very first option, that is Audience and Tagging. Now turn on Protect Your Post option. Only your current followers and people you approve in the future will be able to see your posts or pages that you like. And that's it. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.